How are you all doing? I hope that everybody is fine wherever you are. I have great talent Sadhana Paurel just here. Yeah, she's from Balmiki Shiksha Sadan, one of the best and renowned private boarding school of Nepal. Yeah, I'm so glad and I'm so privileged to get her here for a speech. Yes, she's going to deliver one speech. I don't know which she's going to deliver. Let's listen.
Today I would like to give a speech about environment. Environment is the surrounding, it is the collective form of all the abiotic and biotic components around us. One of the main burning topics around the world today is global warming. It is because we are degrading environment nowadays. We are using plastics, throwing them here and there. Yes, plastic is a degradable material, but it takes years to degrade it. It takes hundreds and hundreds of years to degrade it. We are using chemical fertilizers in the agricultural sector. Yes, it produces a lot of goods, maximum yield, but what happens is it decreases the fertility of soil. It increases the acidity, which will harm our health. And today we are using all of the natural resources. Now, if we use all of our natural resources, let's take a moment and think about what will happen in our future generation. What will they use? If we have already finished using all of these resources, they will have nothing. So what we should do is we should have sustainable development in every development infrastructures. So not only the infrastructures will last longer, but our future generation can also use them, and they will have the natural resources for them to use.
Yes, okay. Thank you so much. And what type of programs should be implemented to stop this degradation or deteriorating of environment?
I think we should introduce programs like afforestation, because forest not only gives us shade, but it gives us a lot of things, like it helps us from landslide and flood. It helps in minimizing the impact of many of the natural disasters, and it also helps to prevent these natural disasters. And in this, if we increase the amount of forests in our country, in our society, then not only we can find trees in there which will help us for timber and firewood, we'll also find herbs there which will help in curing some of the diseases.
Yes, thank you so much for this awesome video. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, I wish you all the best for today's debate program. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.